my
Destiny Tribe. How are you guys?
We are walking at Lojar Beach, and there is a little piece of this beach that is kind of another beach, but it's actually the same name, under the same name. So we're gonna check that one out today before we leave. Yeah, that's right. Today we are going to Koh Yao Noi after our morning beach time. So let's see how the little section of
It's
Lojar
right there.
Beach
We are
looks
walking.
like.
So we cross to the other side. It's a short walk. Look how beautiful she is today. Okay. You got that? For the pregnant girl, huh? What I eat in a day as a vegan pregnant in Thailand. Such a beautiful place, baby.
Yes.
Way to go. Pineapples, papaya, and watermelon. And the view. Okay guys, we took the boat from Koh Yao Yai to Koh Yao Noi, and then when we arrived here, the car to take us to the hotel, our hotel now is the Pasai Cottage, was 100 baht per person. I think the car is quite fair, 100 baht per person. It's not the cheapest one, but it's okay. It's not like 300 or 600 like being asked in Koh Yao Yai. And now let's enjoy the beautiful Koh Yao Noi. I wanted to pass this information for you, then you get ready when you come to visit this place. I'm gonna give you a little room tour. We just arrived to our hotel. The hotel is in front of the beach, but the bungalows are just behind here with sand floor, as you can see. This is our beautiful cottage. That's just right there inside. Let's check it out inside the room. There's a bench.
Oh yeah.
There's a bench in front of the room where she was just seated.
Come inside, please. It's just a very simple bamboo bungalow for a really affordable price in a beachfront hotel. We have here the mosquito net, a little bit of a nice view. Oh, I think we can open these doors.
Yes, we can. There's a locker there.
Yeah, that's cool. So this part can be all open.
And then you enjoy your bed in front of the bench. It's kind of it gives a sense of a bigger space when you open probably.
And then it's a fan room, so we don't have AC. But I will tell you what, in Koh Yao Yai I was sleeping with long sleeved shirt because
And a blanket because it was cold during the night.
Cold during the night, but during the day it's really warm. And then a little bathroom.
So now orange bed toilet.
It's actually quite a nice toilet. I thought it would be a simpler one.
It's not smelly. It's a good sign.
No, and come inside.
It's clean inside.
And it has like the beautiful curtains and
It's a
everything.
bit dark here, so I have
So
to
it's
pump up the
very
horizon.
simple yet well put together toilet. And if I'm not wrong, it's cold water, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, it's part of what we paid for, right?
Right.
How much was this hotel per night?
I'll have to check, but it's something like 600 or 700.
Okay, we
baht.
put it. We're gonna put the price
yeah.
on the video. And now it's time. The name of the hotel is Pasai Cottage, and let's enjoy Koh Yao Noi.